Hello friends, how are you doing today? So in continuation to our last video about hybrid cloud and the I told that I would be touching upon the basics of AI and basics of hybrid cloud, and then we will see like how to integrate these two hard core technologies. Okay, so what exactly the AI? AI is artificial intelligence. We touched upon like it's going to mimic the human intelligence so that it will ease your jobs, right? So coming to this chat GPT, what exactly the chat GPT is? So basically the chat GPT was built based on the large language model. So large language model is one of the AI tools. So what it will do, it will read, create summary, and get the input of all the words whatever you given, and it will predict the future sentences for you based on the words that you give. That's called a large language model. Okay, so the chat gpt has been built with the AI tool called large language model. Okay, that is the reason when you give any input to the words, it will take those words, understand that, and summarize it, and it will predict what you are going to see as a result, and then it will give you the result. Okay, and OpenAI developed this chat gpt artificial intelligence tool, right, with the language of large language model AI tool. And what they gave the options to integrate this chat gpt with your application or with your platform, whatever you are running with. Okay, and in this video I just wanted to go over and show you what are all the API tools available and provided by this OpenAI group so that you can integrate your application with the ChatGPT. Okay, let's go. I went to OpenAI and I logged in with my credentials. And if you look at this link, get started, it will ask you to enter your credential. So now I logged in. So what it is giving me just welcome messages and also like get started tutorials and also some examples. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on this get started tutorial. So if you look at this, they have very good documentation. What you can do, you can just go and read the documentation and see. You can also practice. For example, if you want to predict, because ChatGPT was built on large language model AI tool, right? So here they gave some examples. Suggest a name for horse. Okay, this is my input word. And what it does, it takes this input and then process it, summarize it, and go and find the right word for you. And it gave the predicted output as lightning. Okay, and suggest a name for the black horse. It has like it gave the fancy name as a midnight for the black horse. So similarly, you can build the chat model. They already implemented this large language model in the behind. You can play around and see how you can do it. And it comes to this building an application. What you can do, you can clone the OpenAI Quick Start Git from the GitHub, and you can add your API key. You can create a new secret key here with your account logged in, and they are using this npm command to install and run a basic application. And it generated a API, and you can go and run this models and pricing and next. Okay, let's see how we can create our own chat GPT with the steps provided by OpenAI. Okay, so what I did, I created my account with OpenAI, and then I'm going to set up a project provided by OpenAI. You can just clone this project from GitHub. Got cloned, and I already installed the Node.js for this particular application. We need a Node.js. I'll give the link below, so you can get the link and then download the npm and Node.js and install Node.js and then clone the repository. Okay, so now we have cloned the repository. What I need to do is I need to just copy the env file. So why we need to do this? Because you need to set up the secret key in the env file. So everyone will have their own secret key. When I created this account, I got my secret key. So I can let me open and see whether my secret key is already copied, because I did before this recording. So let me do here. Yeah, it's not there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do dot envvi, and then copy the secret key from my account in OpenAI site. Created the secret key. I'm going to paste it here. So now I downloaded the OpenAI Quick Start application, and I installed the Node.js before that, and I created a .env file. In the .env file, I just copied the secret key. Okay. So let's go to the next step. Now I have to do a npm install and npm run dev. So it's installing the npm. It's already there, and then npm run dev. It's running, and if you look at this, the server started at localhost 3000. So let's go to the browser and see the server is loading or not. Yes, now our application is running. It is about naming a pet. So you need to enter a animal name here. Just wanted to enter elephant. Let's see. It generated the names for the elephant. You look down, mighty trunk, super patchy dome, the great tusker, all those stuff. Let's go with monkey, Captain Chimp Salot, super simian, the amazing ape, dog. So it will keep generating the name for your pets. Super sniper, the amazing tailwagger, fearless fido, something like that. So basically, what is happening here? ChatGPT was generated based on the large language model AI tool, right? So this application provided by OpenAI was also generated based on the large language model LLM AI tool. Okay, so they gave us the code to just install in your local and see the experience of like how the ChatGPT is functioning in the background. Okay, so you can also go and play around. I'm going to share the links and details about this project, and if, let's explore more on this. If you have any questions, put in the comment box below. Take care. Bye.